Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Jordan. Today we're going to look at the musical alphabet. Whether you're a kid or an adult, this is going to be a very easy first step for you so that way you know where the notes are on the piano and what the music alphabet is. So the musical alphabet is the foundation of how we play all of our notes. Now, just like the regular alphabet is A through Z, the musical alphabet is just going to be A through G. So that's A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. After you hit G, it's going to start over on A. So looking at this on the piano, right, we're going to start on A, and then it keeps going up after that. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. After you play the G, it goes one note higher and restarts on the A. And then it just keeps going. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now when you're first starting on the piano, we want to know where the notes are on the keyboard. So let's take a look at this real quick, right? So we have... on the piano here, we have 3 black keys and we have 2 black keys. These are known as the 3 black key set, and these are known as the 2 black key set. And that's how we're able to find our notes. So starting right here, if we're looking at the 3 black key set, right? 1, 2, 3. Let's try it right here, right? So we have this 3 black key set, and the first note we want to find is A. A is between the second and the third of the 3 black key sets. See, we have 1, 2, 3. So A is between the second and third, and it's the white key. Now play it with me. We're going to find all the A's on the piano. Low A. Now the next one is B. B is going to be to the right of the 3 black key set. Here's our 3 black key set. The next note is B. Let's go ahead and find all the B's. So we have low B, high B, higher than that. Yep, and keep going. Now the next note is C. C is going to be to the left of the 2 black key set. So here's our 2 black key set. Our next note to the left is the white key. That is going to be C. So now play all the C's from low to high. Okay, now we have D. D is going to be in the middle of the 2 black key set. So here's 2 black key set up here. D is going to be the white key. Find all the D's. Now we have E. E is to the right of the 2 black key set. So we have the 2 black key set. Here is our E to the right. Now let's find all of our E's. Now we have F. F is going to be to the left of the 3 black key set. Here's our 3 black key set again. F is to the left. All right, so now let's go ahead and find all the F's. And then we have one more, and that's G. G is going to be between the first and second of the 3 black key set. So here's our 3 black key set. We have our first one and our second one. Right there, it's going to be in the middle. All right, so now let's find all of our G's. And that's how to find all the notes on the piano, A through G. So that's it for the musical alphabet for this lesson. Go ahead and practice that at home and keep going and have some fun with it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and take a look at some of the other ones, and I'll see you in the next one.